It was the last hour of the night. A deep silence had fallen over the city. Even the narrow alleys were swallowed by a heavy stillness. Rahul stood by the window, staring out blankly. His eyes were tired. His heart weighed down by disappointment. 3 years ago, he had come to this city with dreams burning bright. Dreams of building his own startup, of carving out his identity with pride. But reality had been harsh, unforgiving. One failure after another knocked on his door. Friends who once cheered for him had slowly drifted away. His family's hopeful eyes had now turned into looks of worry and hidden blame. Inside Rahul, a quiet voice began to whisper. Maybe this isn't meant for me. Maybe I'm just not good enough. He knew, if he gave up now, everything he had dreamed of would vanish. Yet the darkness within was so thick, so consuming, that he couldn't see even a flicker of hope. At that very moment, a notification buzzed on his phone. It was a message from Arpita, an old classmate he hadn't spoken to in years. The message read, "Rahul, remember, big dreams need big patience. Don't give up. Your time will come. I believe in you." It was just a few words, but it lit a small candle inside his heart. Rahul sat down quietly. He thought to himself, if even one person still believes in me, then maybe I should believe in myself too. He didn't sleep that night. Instead, he pulled out his old notebooks, the ones where he had scribbled his earliest dreams when he first came to the city. He read through the pages, reminding himself of the excitement, the innocence, the burning determination he once had. "I will start again," Rahul promised himself. "I will not give up." From the next morning, Rahul changed his approach. He knew it wouldn't be easy. Failures, rejections, mockery, they would still be there. But now he understood. These were not signs to stop, they were tests to endure. He set small, daily goals for himself. He promised to get just 1% better every day. He began rebuilding himself, slowly but surely. The first month, there were no visible results. The second month, a few small freelance jobs trickled in. The third month, he pitched to a big client, but was rejected. Still, Rahul did not stop. He learned from every no. He built his staircase out of failures. He read books, watched tutorials, practiced relentlessly. He became obsessed with improving himself, not to prove others wrong, but to honor the dream he had once fallen in love with. 6 months later, Rahul received a call. A major company had seen his small portfolio and wanted to meet him to discuss a project. Rahul's heart skipped a beat. Was this really happening? At the interview, he didn't pretend to be someone he wasn't. He spoke honestly about his journey, how he failed, learned, fell again, and got up again. The company leaders listened closely. They were not just impressed by his skills, they were moved by his resilience. Within a week, Rahul signed the biggest contract of his life. His dream, which once seemed shattered, was now blossoming into a reality. Today, Rahul stands by a new window, this time, inside his own office. Around him work 20 bright, passionate young people, a team he built from scratch. In their eyes shines the same belief Rahul had fought so hard to preserve. He knows challenges will continue. He knows storms will come. But now he carries an unbreakable truth in his heart. If you don't give up, your time will come. Young dreamers often visit him, looking for advice. Rahul always smiles and says, "You might feel lost right now. You might think nothing is working. But trust me, hold on. Don't give up, because your time is coming. Life will never hand us a smooth road. It throws us into storms, tests our patience, breaks our confidence, only to reveal our true strength." Like Rahul, there will be moments when you feel exhausted, when giving up seems easier than moving forward. But always remember, don't give up, your time will come.